Everywhere you look, AI is taking over. Designers, writers, coders, all asking the same question: will AI replace me? The shocking truth is yes, AI will wipe out many freelancers, but not the ones who know a secret strategy I'll reveal at the very end of this video. Stay with me, because the strategy could mean the difference between being irrelevant or being booked out with clients in 2025. Fear paralyzes most people. They waste hours doom scrolling, convincing themselves freelancing is dead. But here's what most don't realize: AI doesn't kill careers, it only kills average ones. The top freelancers? They're already using AI like a weapon. And in a moment, I'll show you the exact steps to join them. Step 1. Use AI as a tool, not a competitor. Think of AI as your assistant, not your enemy. Once AI drafts, you refine. Designers, AI generates. You craft. Developers, AI codes. You solve. Clients don't pay for tools. They pay for judgment, and that's something no AI can copy. Step 2. Sell what AI can't do. AI can mimic skills, but it can't connect with people. It can't build trust. It can't hold a client's hand through a tough launch. Freelancers who win aren't just service providers, they're partners, and partnership is something even the most powerful AI will never achieve. Generalists are replaceable, specialists are priceless. Don't be a writer. Be the email copywriter who 10x SaaS conversions. Don't be a designer. Be the branding expert who makes DTC products unforgettable. The more specific your niche, the less AI can touch you. Step 4. Leverage AI to scale. Here's the twist: you don't just survive AI, you can actually profit from it. Automate boring work, save hours, deliver faster, charge higher, manage more clients, multiply income. The freelancers earning the most today aren't competing with AI, they're scaling with it. The secret strategy. I promised you the secret strategy at the start, and here it is. Anyone can generate words or designs, but only you can understand a client's fears, desires, and goals, and then use AI to deliver results faster than anyone else. This combination is unbeatable, and most freelancers will miss it because they're too busy either fearing AI or misusing it. So the question is, are you going to be one of the average ones, or the rare few who rise above AI? If you want to be in that rare group, subscribe now, because every week, I'll show you how to stay ahead of AI while others get left behind. Remember, AI doesn't replace freelancers, it replaces average. Don't be average.